Lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. In today's video we are doing something amazing. We are doing a very simple hair install, and I cannot wait to share you my latest find. Just sit back and let's do this hair together. All right, lovelies, how are you doing? Okay, it's been a long time here. I'm here again. So I have with me here Lwigs. I'm gonna be installing this. This is meeting the most beautiful 100% virgin woman hair. All right, let's take a look and see if this is actually true. I usually love you unboxing the hair with me, so you know the whole thing, everything inside the box. So this is straight out of the box. Let's go ahead and do this. Lovelies, are you seeing what I'm saying? So this is the hair right here, fresh out of the box. Other things in here is to upload a video of yours on social media, follow Lwigs, and you stand a chance of winning $100. Isn't that amazing? It is amazing. Okay, so go ahead and grab this hair, install it, post a video of yourself, and you stand a chance of this. So you have, if your video has 1,000 views, you have $10. If your videos, so every view every view will monetize, yes. And if it has 5k views, you are gonna be getting $30. And if your video goes viral, it reaches 10k views, you're gonna be earning $80. Isn't that crazy? That is awesome, honestly. And you have to like follow the campaign rules, terms and conditions apply. So they're on Instagram, they're on TikTok, and they're also on YouTube. All right, you can follow them up on their WhatsApp. The WhatsApp is up here. So these are also beautiful hair the company has, honestly. So we're gonna be seeing this for the very first time. This is the very first time I'm reviewing Lwigs, so we're gonna take a look at this and see what the hair looks like. So this is the hair of the day. Are you ready? Oh my goodness, oh my darling. Okay. Smells so good, honestly. Oh my lovelies, look at this hair. Oh my god, lovelies, look at this. It is so soft. I don't know whatever they added to this hair, but it smells so good. You know, there's some hair you get and it's smelling factory, like factory hair. This smells different. This smells like it's been washed, it's been perfumed or sprayed with some kind of like beautiful smell. I'm gonna be giving you a full description of this hair. Just went on their website, lwig.com. Gosh, look at their hair, lovelies. This hair is so amazing. The website is so loaded with beautiful hair. So look at this, look at that hair, look at this one, look at this one, look at the hair there. Lovelies, are you seeing what I'm saying? Just go to lwigs.com and see the beautiful and amazing hair they have on the website. A lot of beautiful collections here, and they are doing sales right now, like Black Friday sales, and you can pick hair. Look at those fancy hair. You can pick different hairstyles there. Look at that, look at this different hair. Oh man, look at these ones, look at these ones there. Gosh, look at this braided wigs right there. Look at the ones at the top. Honestly, lovelies, look at the collections of hair that they have there. It's a beautiful website. This hair I'm holding here is ombre color boho braided wig, tiny knots. Okay, this is it. Tiny knots, 5x5 HD lace closure top braids wig, UD30. So that is the hair right here. So it is sold for $149. Honestly, lovers, it is cute. Look at the bounce. So the density is 220%. Lovelies, look at it. It is very soft and bouncy. Look at the texture, lovelies. This hair is so gorgeous. So the lace type is skin melted real HD lace, and the pattern is free pattern and free styles on top. You can do whatever you want. The hairline has been plucked and bleached and single knots, and they say here it lasts for over 1 year under proper care. Everything is written here. The hair is a good buy, honestly. You see, it's a baby hair for me. Look at that. Look at the baby hair. You run your finger through it. Look at that. Look at this, so close. Look at this hair. Ha! So nice. Lovelies. Guys, so the first thing I'm going to do here is to take out this lace. See this lace right here. I'm going to take this lace out first. Look at that. This lace here. Gently cut it off. See? So I don't cut the hairline. This one is easier for me. I decide not to add the lace most to it. You can still go ahead and use it like this. This is dark enough, so I'm just going to go ahead and ignore that. I will not apply the lace tint mousse. It blends with my skin so well. Let's go ahead and put this on the Glueless Wig bar, just to stick it down a little bit to keep it firm on my head. That's why I'm going to use this. Let me just go ahead and strap. I'm just going to put it on. Okay, like that. This baby hair, the baby hair is babying. The baby hair is behaving. Look at that. You know, there's some human hair you will get. They claim to be human hair, but then the baby hair is not the baby hair. It's just so hard, and you find it so difficult to make it stick. I find it so difficult to style it. But this one, look at it. It is soft. Clip this ultra glue. It's transparent liquid, so let's see. Glue this. So trim it off. I'm not perfect in this. There's some people who don't really like that baby hair, just like me. I struggle. So if you go ahead and just trim out that baby hair, it's still gonna look so great. Look at that. And when I drop this like this, what do you think? I think I'm a babe. We are done. Look at that. Very easy. Super easy. No stress at all. It's very soft. Look at the feel. Look at that. It's so cute. So soft. Look at that. So this gives it a bit of shine and also maintain the coils. All right, lovelies, what do you say? This is gorgeous. This is what? Gorgeous. Look at this. Okay, let's see. Can we style this hair into different styles? Of course, yes. Can actually take some at the back, like take a few like this, because the edges are just edging. Take the other side the same. Like that. So look at that, lovelies. It is full. from front to back. Full. See, look at that, and you still have this floating hair. You can also decide to take everything up. Let's see. Bring this up. And decide to leave it like this. There. So cute. Secure it, right? The rubber band here. Okay. See, it's a glueless wig. And now we're gonna go ahead and apply our lace tint mousse. Let's see what that will look like. Perfect. Let's see. I think it is more darker. Okay. I don't have to apply anything because I already did earlier on. With lace tinted mousse, without lace tinted mousse, different styles that I've come up with. It doesn't need to be brushed, but I'm just telling you, even when you brush it, it's still going to maintain its coils. It even gives it more volume when you comb it out. It gives it more volume. Look at that. However you want to pack this hair, pack it however it's going to be. All right, lovelies, thank you so much for watching today's video. I remain my humble self, Mom. I'm pretty amazing. If you found today's video helpful, go ahead and share with your friends and families. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.